Hey guys, this is the Brunch Burger, fried pita bread, poached egg, hollandaise sauce, one of the best burgers that you probably will ever eat. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this today. So all we're gonna season this burger with is just a few herbs, a little bit of salt and pepper. We have oregano, parsley, and like I said, just a good handful of salt and pepper. I want a really big burger, so I'm gonna probably roll it about that big. Sizzle in. You just want to apply some pressure on the bottom to make sure you get a really nice sear. There you go. Now we go ahead and flip our burger. Go ahead and place your burger on the side. When you're cooking hollandaise, I know what you're thinking. It is one of the hardest sauces to make, but it's really easy if you use your simple components and just take your time when cooking it. So we're gonna use a double boiler. We're gonna have a nice small pot, just filled with water about halfway, and a bowl on top. This is a very delicate sauce, so we're gonna have our heat on a slow, small, medium heat. You just wanna build some steam, because that's where we're cooking the sauce with, is the steam. So first we're gonna add our water and we're gonna add some lemon juice. Add our eggs, and we're gonna start to whisk this. Go ahead and break your eggs up. Once those streaks go ahead and start to form, we can slowly add our clarified butter and start to whisk. And once all of our butter is incorporated, we can go ahead and scrape the sides down. My sauce is ready, so now we're gonna go ahead and assemble our burger. Today for my buns, I have fried pita bread. Now I made a pita bread recipe, pita bread dough. I'm gonna go ahead and bake it. Then I ended up frying it into these perfect little bun sizes. We're just gonna lay one on the bottom. Gonna have our burger. Add a slice of cheese, which you usually would melt, but I forgot to melt it. But if you pop it in the microwave, it'll melt instantly. If you pop it in the oven, it'll melt perfectly. Add slices of tomato. Add our spinach. I have a poached egg. And lastly, our hollandaise sauce. Go ahead and top it off with our bun. Our pita bread burger with poached egg and hollandaise sauce. Breakfast and dinner is amazing together. This burger is the best idea for that because it has the poached egg and hollandaise, and I believe that America's best dish or cuisine are American cheeseburgers. So why not just go ahead and give this a try? It's very easy, tastes amazing, and it's anything that you can create for a close friend or family.